If I want to count certain records and the criteria that defines the ones I'm after is more than one, then I have to use a function called COUNTIFS, released with Excel 2007. For example, click in B15 and type equals COU, and you can see the COUNTIFS function. So I'm going to double click it. The first thing it requires is the first criteria range. The first criteria range is the list of cities. So I'm going to highlight C4 to C13. And I'm going to press the function key F4 to lock that in, and comma. The criteria, the first criteria that goes with that first criteria range, is A15. In other words, I'm looking for all the Kawerau records, comma. The second criteria range are the list of bedrooms, so I'm going to highlight the cells D4 to D13, press the function key F4 to lock them in, and comma. The criteria 2, which goes with the criteria 2 range, is double quote greater than equal to 2, double quote, comma. My third and final criteria range is E4 to E13, so I'll highlight these cells and I'll press the function key F4 to lock them in, comma. And then my third criteria that goes with my criteria range 3 is double quote yes, double quote. So the records I want to count have to have a yes in E4 to E13, have to have a number greater than or equal to 2 in D4 to D13, and whatever's in A15, which happens to be Kawerau, has to be matched in C4 to C13, and enter. There is one record for Kawerau with 2 or more bedrooms and yes to a garage. I'll then double click my thin cross and fill the results down.